Morning, everybody. It's a lovely Sunday morning. We're here on the river, the Pampa River that flows through Santa Rosa, Cabanatuan. Here with my lovely bride, and we're going to try a little fishing today. I made up some experimental bait, so we're going to see how it works this morning. So hopefully we do a little catching, but it's probably going to be more fishing, but in the Philippines. Stay tuned for more. And this is a look at the river. It's flowing kind of quiet. And there is the missus. She's sitting there cooling out under the umbrella. I'm sure it's going to be warm. So we're about to see what can we catch here. It's kind of quiet, a little cool, but I'm sure it's going to change to become very hot. So I made up 3 kinds of bait with dough just to try it out. Worms are a little bit difficult to come by. The ground is so dry, it's like concrete, so you can give up on digging for worms. So let me just try. Hopefully I can bring some footage back or something. So here we go. Well, returning back to you as promised with an update on fishing, which is not really much of an update, you know. I got 3 rods out. It's a beautiful day. Hot. But we're doing a lot of fishing. We ain't doing no catching. Whoa, got a bite. And it's going, but just a minute here. Missed. All right, damn it. Ah, damn. Well, so much for that. Just had a bite. After sitting here for so long, I said I'll make a short video. Well, I'm gonna rebait this line right here. And I'm fishing with chicken liver. Let me rebait it and try it again. So let me pause for the cause. So we're gonna try this again. Earlier I was trying to make a video on not catching fish. The pole took off. Had a very good bite. This is a nice size. So I'm gonna say again, there are my 3 poles, and I went through a variety of stuff trying to see what works, and I figure shrimp everything would like, but not here. Only thing that I have is worms. Worms are hard to come by here. It's very hot and dry. Like I was saying earlier, the ground is like concrete. So it seems like chicken liver is what these, whatever it is, hitting, but wow, that was a good bite. But I missed it, so trying it once again, a little update on fishing in the Philippines. You know, I'm not too familiar with all the fish here, that's for sure. I know popular fish, tilapia. They do have carps here. Catfish. What is that? Snake head fish. Don't know about fish eels. I caught a little small fish I'm gonna use for a bait. Not really sure if I can put it in the sunlight what that is, but I'm about to cut him up, throw him on there for some bait. Caught that one on a small piece of shrimp. So here on the Sunday at the river, and this place I came in particular because the road is wide enough for our truck to get down without being scratched up by the bushes. Lots of small roads in the Philippines. So that's a little update. I might come back in to show more on fishing, but no catching with culling. Or maybe I'll put out a 4th rod. Yeah, there's no limit here. Do what you like. So stay tuned for more hot fun and adventure in the Philippines. Ciao. I see my camera stop unexpectedly. I think it's too hot here, so I need to get the phone out of the sun and give it a break because the Philippines putting it to the test. So we'll come back again later on. Well, I need to make this, need to do a little repeat. I think my phone overheated and just stopped working, but I caught 2 catfish so far. And I'll show those later. And the bites have just been coming explosive, hard and heavy, but they hooked themselves, so that was good. And I got them in a fishing bag. I can show it, something I picked up in Germany. A soft nylon bag down there. You can see that black bag. Fish wiggling in it. Hope it comes out on the video. So, yeah. So, all the poles are rebaited. And since it's catfish, I'm trying some new baits. Well, would be new to here, but stuff I picked up in the States for catching catfish at Walmart. We'll see if it works here in the Philippines. And my lovely wife is cooling out in the truck because it's very hot here. And so I am just trying to catch number 3, and then we call it a day. Go home, take a shower, have a cold beer. As you see, it's a beautiful day here on the river. So, very peaceful. So, that's the latest and greatest for me. Well, hello everybody. Checking in again from a very hot Philippine underneath my umbrella. Well, we're kind of, I think it's after 11 in the morning, so Sunday morning, so wrapping it up. Got 2 catfish. I'm gonna take them home. Wife would want to keep them and clean them for her. And call it a day, but I see the bait of choice was actually liver. So they didn't like anything else, even shrimp, except that little baby fish I caught on shrimp. So it was a nice day, and I almost have everything packed up except one rod and reel. So there's my mess. Got trash bags to take all my trash away. Don't want to be a litter bug. So that will do it for Sunday. So go home, take a shower, get a cold drink. It was a good day. Now I know one thing to most definitely bring, and if I could find some place to buy some worms from Santa Rosa and Cabanatuan, be even better. I got a little place at home made, trying to track worms to it. It's been about a week, so didn't check it this morning. Maybe there were a few. Got a lot of dry leaves and watering it every day, keeping it soft and covered and hoping some worms will come there. But anyway, that's for another time. So it's a beautiful day, very hot. Now, time to bring this day to a close, at least this fishing to a close. So thank you everybody. I'm gonna pack up the rest of this stuff. I know my wife is ready to go, but she's just busy sitting in the truck on Facebook. Anyway, so she's having a good time and very patient. There she is, smiling. So, got a few more things to get going to pack up, and then we'll go. So, I'd like to thank everybody. Thank everybody for joining us here on this hot Sunday, but beautiful day. So thank you, Lord. I was fishing and caught some fish, so it wasn't a zero. Didn't get shut up. So thank everybody. Y'all have a blessed Sunday. Bye now.